So this is Kawasaki's 2020 Z900. They've sold 32,000 Z900s since it came about 4 years ago, and they're set to sell a whole lot more. Lots and lots of details have been enhanced to get this bike where it is right now.
Power delivery is very linear. Kawasaki have done a lot of work with the throttle connection of this bike over the previous version of the Z900.
Take the test ride, make up your own mind. In my opinion, the Kawasaki Z900 remains to be, one of the top 3 naked middleweights money can buy.